Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth issues. Bluetooth not working, not pairing, disconnecting, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on general. Go down. Go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap here. Tap on reset. Here you can see reset network settings. Tap here. Enter screen lock password. Tap on reset network settings. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, apps, anything. It just reset only the network settings, including Bluetooth settings. That's all. Let me tap on reset network settings. Please wait. Okay, reset operation has been completed. Enter screen lock password. Done. After this reset operation, we can check Bluetooth. That should work. We can try to pair one Bluetooth device with this mobile phone. That should work. So this way we can reset Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.